Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers, to another video on Bolan the channel. This is just a quick intro for reminding you to subscribe and like. Alright guys, so the search continues for Davian Bryan. That's the same guy that took with the first child and the second one. You see me about one photo a circulate say them kill him, which are the wrong person guys. You see me, and it's so fuck up for no, sorry my language, it's so messed up for no say yo. Them kill wrong people out there, and then I say another person. Like I know so life thing out guys. You see me? End of the day we are here say him and the man they did work together, but I know him. Them not catch him as yet, and I have to say him good on what him do, cause this is like almost a week him a run. Like him a show the government them say, oh nobody. You see me guys? No joke. Anyways guys, so the pastor from Montego Bay that was, performing this evilous act, Yeah man, some dangerous ritual at one church guys in a Montego Bay. So him set up a campaign, a GoFundMe page, which was removed guys. Them removed the page. You see me? Yeah man. So him incarcerated at the moment with approximately 8 meals, you see me, from the said Pathway International Kingdom Restoration. You see me? Them church thing weird, guys, cause some things were up my dead guys, yo. Any church me go, I see them someday. If them say my phone can't go, I cannot go. I swear. From here say take off. Hey guys, some things up my that church. I mean just want to show you the subliminal message. Look on that curtain guys. If you only not see the rainbow color, something wrong. That is the LGBT guys. So no one ever did a hide from morning if you check it level and factual things them in our face. You see me? Campaign page was 30,000 USD. You know that are like 4.8 million or something like so. Said way so. The campaign page take down. I'm here say I rate millions a week. So all him need money for that said way. But John, you see me guys. So me I gonna make pretty than take over and deal with the pedophiles them car. If you don't enjoy the video, our life is always at the end for you to enjoy.
I say, yo, you see this person? Nothing there in front of nobody pick me. And everyone that the neighborhood them when going on after did they know say yo him a pitney fucker and pitney killer. You understand me I deal with? When you not go put them something, then the something not even go cost blood clot money. Like how who I go on. You feel me I did? All you have to do is just put it in place. Say yo, listen. Yes, if I once ever hear the brother then him call up or any kind of pitney fucking or pitney touching or any kind of child endangerment, you no write him off and put him under the dirt as a fucking nobody. You no stamp his face all bout for say him we fucking kill your pitney. You see me I deal with? And them little thing them me a talk about. And make sure say the fine for them as loud as the one where you know wear mask. Whole heap of things that we can set in place. Me enough people are going to talk about say what the government have to do with it. Are you a fucking idiot? Sit with fucking more. Who run the fucking country? Who put out all of the laws? And now who have to abide by them? No us. Alright. Boom. If you find one little pitney fuck and pitney killer and them little thing, the way you continue and let it out back in our earth for. Your job as the government is to govern a country. Your main objective is to make the wrong right. And some of the wrong them when me I say, I know me not see them and make a foot to make it right. Your job is not to come and look pretty and give dictation and give orders. Your job is to make the wrongs them right. Some of the rights them, wrongs them when me see, them they not get no look on. Only some of the wrongs them now I get look on and the other wrongs them just the over here. So we come back to that. No, them wrongs they need for fix too. Yes, corona is a wrong. You fix that. But you see the bigger wrong what we have over here, so no day, me not see nobody. I make no kind of move for make he even a touch against this. You have to say, yo, you know what? We need to put out something against this, you know. We need to do this. We need to do this. We need to have a conference. We need to. Nobody me not hear I do that. So one time me hear, you now come tell me, say, yo, the government can't do nothing. How you mean? Them supposed to govern this country. And that them day off, and if you look pretty, and come talk to you on Bumbuckler TV. And if you look pretty, you know, if you make the wrong them right. The same thing, them when them promise you know, one time they were coming in the office, them say, I am going to make this wrong right. I am going to make this wrong right. Remember, enough of the wrong them when them said them did I go fix. None of these wrongs have not even been approached yet. So what kind of stupidity you mean to tell me, say, a whole heap of wrong the year where the government supposed to make right, and even now them to make a step towards it. Jamaica have such a high rating, women dying and children being kidnapped and raped, and not even one conference, not even one meeting, not even one nothing for say, yo, let's see if we can find a way how to even step to this. Not even that. You understand what I deal with? So at the end of the day, you know, me I go tell you, remember we can't do nothing. What we can't do, remember all we have to do is stay our yard. Then we can't catch them and beat them. Remember that. If we catch them and beat them, we're going to see them and call police and we go in a prison. You see me I say? So at the end of the day, if we can't do none of that, then not feed them, at them for do it, bro. At them for do it. Remember, so we can't catch them, boy, we are suspects. Say, yo, them are fuck pitney, you know. If we catch them and beat them, they want to send me a jail and them look away and can't we go with them, you know. And them have to make a way, to make ways to say the kids safe. You alone can't make the kids safe. You alone cannot make the children safe. Them as the government governing body have to put whole heap of stipulation out there to say, yo, the children's priority is a main priority for this country. The guidance of children, the protection of children, the well-being of children, it come first. I'll know me not hear none of this. Say, come on. What do you mean? What do you mean them? How you mean at them? We need them to do all of what we need to do. So me no want hear nobody else say, so what the government are going to do? What you mean by? We need them to do everything. We can't do nothing by ourselves. We got a fucking jail. You understand what I deal with? So at the end of the day, when you realize you in a parliament every day and you sit down and you see the whole of the pitney them are dead. You see the whole heap of predator and pedophile are run around here. From 19 on long, Jamaica have a high pedophile rate. Where you see them a rape and a kill pitney. I years it a go on now. They must say, yo, no. I don't know, a long time. Jamaica have them something and go on. And if you are realize that this is a recurring situation, you're supposed to put out stipulation out there to say, alright, yo, let me tell you this, you know. This here one of the things that I look on right now, and I'm going to tell you, no, this here I figure happen. Yo, let me tell you this. Yo, National Guard. Yo, the army. Constabulary Force, meeting time. More want to do this. I want to have a crackdown on this and the children. I know me not a press conference for the pitney them. Not even for we the hungry fucking population. Me not, fuck we. Fuck us. Fuck we hungry like dog. We don't want nothing for you. We don't want nothing. I know you know put it in place to say, yo, John dog, we are lose 50 and 60 and 200 pitney for a year. 50, 60, 120, 200 pitney for the year. I've been dying the same exact fate. And something have to be done. Obviously, we can't do nothing about it because what? For the year, every year you have at least 120 child that die the exact same way. The exact same fate. Rape and killed by a Jamaican man. You understand me, dude? So there should be a press conference where I say, we need a headway towards this. And I like say I go walk up on the street with no police and I say, yo, you fuck pitney? You red? No! I saw them do investigations, see reoccurring blood clot people. We have these offenses. We see against children and that you figure do. And have them and brand them. Brand them, you know what brand them mean? Them can't go nowhere without you know say them fuck pitney. Them is a danger to children. This is somebody enough to walk near your pitney is like a stamping in your face. You see me? All over. So at the end of the day, we need one to guide the pitney them. We alone can guide them because if we do jungle justice and the whole of the way take out the clip them and bust up and yo, clip full. magazine empty, no red, nothing empty, everything full. So we are go out there, we are go film, we are catch him. Brrr, we are murder him. Brrr, we are murder him. Me gone to jail. For the gun, for the clip, and for the shot them way in a blood clot it. So who know if a blood clot help we? Because we as the society, we are going to get emotional when time we say the youth them are dead. Every day we can get up and talk, of course. But if we not get the helping towards it, how the fuck it are going to change? It can't change. It's like a we just attack every day, so the pedophile and the rapists them and the boy them will fuck up pitney and say, yeah man, 2 days talking man. Rape one pitney and kill them. As the social media have that for all 4 or 5 days. Good again, everything Chris. They don't remember that. You see me? And that! So it's like right now them already know what it is. Oh, well look out 2-3 months worth of hotness on the social media, them all cuss and them all begs. Yes, because it hurt us as the population because we are feeling it. The government now feel it. You understand me? So we alone are going to get up every day and talk about say, yo, we want rights to a picnic.